Hi everyone, in this episode I am going to show you what is the process I use to make my own website. In this first part I will teach the desktop version as a design and prototype. To start designing a website or an application, the first thing I do is search on Behance, Dribbble or Pinterest. I do a search based on what I'm designing. In this case, I am helped by terms such as UI website, personal website, and another similar. In this process, I am going to observe several options. I will begin to take a screen of each area that according to my criteria can serve as inspiration, consultation, or an example of what path I could take. In this part, we are going to create the mood board. We are going to place all the photos that we have taken and we are ordering them in the FigJam. Personally, I creating section and I am putting the photos that corresponds to those sections. Okay, in this part I begin to place small reviews that have caught my attention, be it a specific components, colors, typography, or a structure that works for my project. I also select something that are not so common for me and see if they can serve me. As a last step, after having done the exploration and creating the mood board, I start the first views of the interface. At this moment, I begin to use the moodboard as a consultation tool to see the reviews and components that I choose in the process and to be able to choose only the best. Hey, we are done. I present you my personal web desktop version. This is the home screen. Then we went to see who I am. Here my girlfriend helped me and took the photos I needed. My portfolio with the latest project in which I have participated. And finally, the contact page. I will appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. I am just starting and will continue to improve my content. Thanks for your time. Greetings.